Welcome to Appliance Factory Fine Lines. I'm Chef Mark, and I'm here with something apparently brand new in the world of microwaves. And that is a flush mount microwave that doesn't have a turntable. Why is that important? I'm not quite sure, but I'm here with the experts, and we're going to find out. So, Chris, you're with JennAir and Whirlpool.
That's correct.
Thank you for being here. We're going to do some cooking, and you told me, hey, this is the hottest thing in microwaves, and I didn't know there was a lot to report in microwaves. So what's going on here? What makes this special?
I think one of the great design innovations of the last few years is in microwaves, because typically you're right. Innovation in microwaves hasn't been that much over the past few years.
They're all the same.
Yeah.
You get a drawer, you get an OTR, which is an over the range, which is what this is. You have a built-in, and you have a countertop.
Yeah.
That's about it, right?
Exactly.
So this is kind of blending a couple of these technologies together and bringing some new things to the game?
Yes, correct.
Okay,
so
cool.
Design innovation is something that Whirlpool Corporation is excellent at. And
Yeah.
I think that one of the great examples here is in this flush to cabinet microwave. So this microwave is actually 12 3/4 inches deep and happens to be have a zero clearance hinge here, which allows it to open without touching any cabinetry.
Oh, okay.
One of the things that Whirlpool Corporation has noticed is the fact that microwaves tend to stick out a lot, and to help save space and make a kitchen look bigger, this has the opportunity through all the brands that we offer to showcase how innovation and design can truly be something that, even in microwaves, is something that's very exciting.
We're going to take this to the test. So
Let's do it.
I'm interested to know what makes it so special. Let's take a look. I love the open door button. That's fun. Okay.
There's even a toast function there. Pretty simple. Sliced bread, yes it is. And then anytime you want to move forward, you hit confirm menu. We've already inserted the toast pan. It's kind of a step-by-step process for you that it guides you through. And then we need to determine how brown or baked.
I like medium.
Medium works
like
really
medium.
well.
Yeah.
And then you tell it how many how many pieces of bread you have.
Okay.
We have 2. Confirm. Oh, actually hit start.
Aha. Okay.
It's got a countdown, and you can actually watch it toast.
Now, when do I flip the toast?
In this microwave, you actually don't have to flip the toast. A lot of other brands, that's a necessary part of making toast in them. You don't have to do that the way that this is configured. So once it's done, it's done. Yes, there's a toaster oven element underneath. That helps do that. And, you know, in combination with the pan that's put in here, it helps create a nice even toast on both sides of the bread.
I see we got some digital flame shooting across our status bar here. We got 40 seconds left, and do I see some golden brown? Yeah, and then also I see the broiler element is nice and hot and active. Oh my gosh, 30 seconds. 30 seconds to toast. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. What do we got?
Toast is done. Now, simply open the door.
Okay. That's medium toast in my life. And sure enough, yeah, it's brown and crispy on both sides. And I mean that's real live toast, ladies and gentlemen, out of a microwave. Bacon and eggs.
Awesome.
Okay, so when I do bacon, I do 1 minute per strip. I'm gonna take this out. All right. I'm just gonna do 1 minute per strip like I would do at home, and I'm gonna make a mess in your microwave. I hope you don't mind. I hear the sizzle. It's 1 minute per strip in the standard microwave, up to 4 strips at a time. Above that, you get too much moisture in the microwave. The other tip I have when you're microwaving bacon is to open up the oven door on occasion and let the extra steam kind of evacuate out. But I'm going to take this to the test. 7 seconds left. It smells unbelievable. Here we go. Okay. Open door. Here we go. I love that. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. All right, little bacon. If we had a paper towel on this, that would absorb the majority of this fat, and it would be just perfect. Okay, we've got our bacon, we got our toast. What's next? Eggs. Heat-proof bowl here. 1 egg. See what happens. No, I'm not gonna scramble it. No,
Let's see what happens.
I'm gonna take it to the test. Confirm. Oh, and start. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do 2 eggs scrambled. Give this microwave a real run for its money. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, I got pot holder hands. Not bad. Not bad.
Came out pretty good.
Not bad. Okay. We're gonna do 2 eggs, and we're gonna give them a scramble, and we'll see what happens. All right. Let's give this 2 eggs. Let's do a pinch of salt. Optimizing. Okay. Look at this. Look at all the loft we're getting there. Look at it go. That's remarkable. Okay. Whoa.
That came out great.
Look at that. Oh. Stirred versus not unstirred. They're both nice, but this is great. This is great. All right, Chris, what's the most important meal of the day?
Breakfast.
That's right, and I gotta tell you, this oven did an amazing job. Eggs, bacon, and toast in the microwave. Where do people go to learn more?
They can go to JennAir.com or go to your local fine lines here in the Denver area and find it on display.
All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.